Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys some quotes and stuff I got from Totally Dazzled. And here they are right here. And they are printable, so I'm going to have a link below for you guys to just go over and click it. Go follow the link. Print these same quotes for yourself. And you can do some decor with them too. Yeah, so let me tell you what some of them say, because I have some here. It says, some girls are just born with sparkles in their veins. Yes, look at that. And you sparkle the most. You sparkle the most when you are you. I like these, and they have them in different colors. They have them in silver and rose gold. And of course, gold. Like I said, I'm gonna have a link below for these quotes for you guys to get them free. It's totally free, no charge. Just click the link, go over and download them, print them out, and you can use them on whatever decor you like. So I have some ideas on what to do with them. These ones that I got. I'm gonna share with you some little ways, give you some ideas on things that you can do. And don't forget to press that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and press the bell so you will get notified every time I upload another video to share with you guys. Because you know, like I said all the time, that's YouTube's new rule. You have to press subscribe and ring the bell. Yeah, otherwise you don't get notified when I upload another video to share. Alright everyone, let's get into the stuff that I will be using to do these quotes for you today. Alright everyone, here are the items that we will be using. And I got these picture frames from the Dollar Tree. And as usual, everything will be listed down below, so you guys can see everything again, where I got them from, and go get some for yourself. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright, here is our first picture frame, and we're just going to take it apart. And I'm just going to use the back piece, and we're going to use this bling wrap and just put it along the center. And now for this piece, I'm going to be using the gold bling wrap and just going right around the frame to make it gold, going right around. And now we're just going to assemble back everything, all our pieces back together. And now we have our coats, and we have the solid gold one. Or we could use this gold one with the white and little shades of gold inside. Just giving you an idea how they both would look. But I think I'm going to go with the solid gold one. I like that one better for this picture frame. So I'm just going to glue it down with some hot glue so it stays in place. And now we're going to use some gems from Totally Dazzled, which you just easily snap off the back. And then we're going to use some glue and glue them down to our frame. Now for our next frame here, we're going to use our rose gold bling wrap and just wrap it along the back. So I'm going to take this out, and we're just going to use some glue and hot glue it down to the frame. And now we're going to use our rose gold gems and add a little more touch to our frame. Makes love go on, and on, and it goes on. And every little thing you say And then we're just going to take our 2 coats that have the rose gold on them too and add them to our frame. And our next frame, we'll be doing it with our silver bling wrap here. And I'll be putting these gems going along the outside of the frame. And now that we have everything together, we're going to assemble it. I had just taken the back piece and used some Mod Podge and glitter and sprinkle on it. And then our frame we blinged out like we blinged out the gold one, but we did it in silver. So we're just going to assemble everything together. I'll be using these coats here, these silver coats and this white one, which I cut a little bit out. You know, you can do whatever you like with the coats. And I cut it out a bit, and then we're just going to use some hot glue and glue them down.
Baby, you just don't get it. What you're doing? You got my world, got it going crazy, and I don't wanna let you down. Oh no, if we got a problem with the
And now we're gonna add some more gems. You know I like the sparkle. We're gonna add some gems to our frame.
you can't just love anyone. I've been searching high and low. I'm so glad I found you. I gotta keep you near.
And now with this frame, I added some of the gems from Walmart, and now I'm adding some bling wrap, silver bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, going right around the frame also. Now I'll be adding these mirrored leaves from the Dollar Tree. I'll be adding 2 of them to our frame. And now some of our rose gold gems from Totally Dazzled. I'll be adding those too.
I've been searching high and low. I'm so glad I found you. I gotta keep you near, right here with me.
And here's our finished look, everyone. I think they turned out nice. And they look lovely with the inspirational quotes. Yes, they are. Nice quotes to have around your home to help brighten up your day, remind you to always shine, and things like that. It really does help. And you can put these on the wall, or you can leave them anywhere throughout your home that you'd like. You don't only have to place them on the wall, you can place them anywhere, and to help to give yourself a spruce every day as you pass by them. I think they look very nice. And remember, they're free. Yes, Totally Dazzle. Totally Dazzle is giving them to us for free. And like I said, I will leave the link below for you to click on the link, go over and print these for yourself. And you can place them anywhere on anything throughout your home. Yes, I'm just giving you a few ideas. But you know, there is a whirlwind of things that you can do with them. Yes, you can. And if you don't have a printer, you can go to your library. Yeah, your local library. You can go on the site and download them also. As well as you can get it from a friend. Maybe your friend has a printer. Yeah. So you could just go on YouTube, come on my channel, and click the link, and then you can download them right there at your friend's house or at the library. Or if you have your own printer, that's good too. You can just print them off. I think they look very nice. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of these nice quotes that I have put together here for you guys. And this is my favorite one right here. I absolutely love this one. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my DIY for today. And remember, as always, stay blessed. From Petal is Blessed. Bye bye everyone.
I've been searching high and low. I'm so glad I found you. I got